Hey friends, Jeanette here. So tell me, are you anything like me? You hate buying cards because they're so expensive and they never say what you want to express. And I refuse to pay $10 to $15 for a card. I think that making a card for someone is so much more personal. I know that when I receive a card that is handmade, I am so touched. I think that it means so much that someone took the time to make a card just for me. So here I'm using photo paper, alcohol ink markers, and Micron pens. Now if you don't have alcohol ink markers, you can use your inks straight from the bottle. Use a broad size brush to create your squares. And in this one I created 9, but if you stick around till the end of the video, you'll see that I did about 3 of these cards. One of them only has 4 squares, so you can do this any way you like. And in each one of these squares, I am going to just create a simple design. You don't even have to make them different. You can do the same design, the same little branch with leaves going in different directions in each one of the squares. It really doesn't matter because no matter what you do, it's going to be cute. So you can see the first one is just a simple branch with 3 leaves. The second one is just a 4-petal flower with a leaf. Then another branch with smaller leaves. A simple daisy, very, very simple leaf. Just add whatever you like into each one of them. Once you're finished, you can use a glue stick to rub on the back of your painting. And I'm using cardstock. These cards that I purchased from Amazon, they're already creased and they come with envelopes. Makes it really easy and they're very inexpensive. I'll be sure to link everything in the description box so you can take a look for yourself. But you can see none of these patterns are very difficult. Now I'm going to take the alcohol ink marker and I'm going to use the chiseled side and I'm going to create a border just to make it a little bit more fun and interesting. Once I've created that border, I'm going to use a Micron pen. I think this size was a 005, the smallest one I have. And I added another border around the first border. And now I'm just going around and framing each of these little squares. You can see my lines are not straight. There's nothing perfect about this, and that is the charm of a handmade card. And now I'm going to use a thicker or wider nib Micron pen, and I'm just going to write a simple little message in here. And again, these cards are perfect for any occasion. You can make a batch of them and fill them in as you need to with whatever message you want. I hope that you enjoyed this video and that you give these quick, easy cards a try. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.